Next we have linkage and crossing over. So what are these? Linkage and crossing over. Genes are linked by virtue of their being located on the same chromosome. So if a gene is present on the same chromosome and they are close enough, then such genes have a chance to get linked. So Mendel's law of independent assortment of gene is based on the independent orientation of different homologous chromosome pairs during meiosis. But Mendel, we have studied Mendel's law of independent assortment. He said that genes they used to segregate during meiosis or during gamete formation. Thus, only those genes that are located on different chromosome normally show the independent assortment. So, we can conclude that those genes that are located on different chromosome, they used to show independent assortment. But if the gene is located on the same chromosome and they are close enough, then they are linked. They won't show the law of independent assortment. But Mendel, he was very lucky in many ways that the 7 pairs of contrasting characters which he studied in pea plant were present on 7 different chromosomes of the pea plant. That is why during gamete formation they show the law of independent assortment. That is why also he got the ratio 9:3:3:1 in the dihybrid cross in F2 generation, because the genes were not linked. Since they were present on different chromosome, so they show law of independent assortment. But later it came to know that if the genes are present on the same chromosome, then they are linked. So genes or alleles present on the same chromosome normally do not show independent segregation because they are physically linked together, are called as linkage. So linkage, it is a physical association of the genes present on the same chromosome, and thus linkage occurs when 2 genes are close to each other on the same chromosome. For example, you can see this diagram. This is a chromosome. Here you can see these 2 genes, gene 1 and gene 2. They are lying on the same chromosome, plus they are close enough to each other. Now let us see what is crossing over. There is some degree of assortment during meiosis due to the process of crossing over, involving breaking and rejoining, that is exchange of DNA segment between the homologous chromosome. Therefore, crossing over, it is a process that breaks the original linkage between the gene present in the chromosome. The amount of such crossing over depends primarily upon the distance between the genes. So students, if you remember, during cell cycle we have studied in meiosis 1, during prophase stage, crossing over takes place between the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome, isn't it? So say this diagram, we have 2 chromosomes. These are homologous chromosome. During crossing over, these 2 will exchange their genetic material, these 2 will exchange their DNA, and they will give a recombination like this. And this we have studied in meiosis 1, where the homologous chromosome, they break at the location and rejoin with each other, and they are forming a recombinant like this, where they have exchanged the DNA. From this segment this part has been taken, little bit of this part here, and from this segment also they have taken little part of this one here, and thus we'll get a recombinant between the two genes. So can we say that linkage is inversely proportional to recombination? Isn't it? And more the distance, more will be the recombination, and if more linkage, then less recombination, because if the genes are linked, then there won't be crossing over and there won't be any recombination. And if distance is more between the genes, then the chances of recombination is also more. As you can see here, since here the genes, gene 1 and gene 2, these are located on the same chromosome and they are lying close to each other, so they will show linkage. You can see this chromosome, these genes are not linked because here gene 1 and gene 2, these are present on different chromosome. And in third condition also, you can see gene 1 is lying here and gene 2 is lying here, and the distance between them is quite more, so they are not linked. So this is all about linkage and crossing over.